think it's going to be a much better patient experience for people who are living and working downtown. A lot of community development happening down here, so it's going to give them that same kind of experience they can have out in the suburbs, but down here in the heart of the city.
For many of us that have lived here for many years and are part of the community, it's a special place for us. And so we're excited to do this, we're thrilled to do it, and we're humbled to take care of the patients that we do.
Come on, Roxy, hit it hard.
We need a bigger facility, and we need people that are going to be there around the clock, doors that are open all the time, so that they feel welcome and safe, because this is supposed to be an area where they can come to when they need help at the most vulnerable time. So I think it's time.